The guy managed to waste a page of my fucking passport for a shitty little stamp, where there was so much space in other pages. Last night we spent the night in Peje, Kosovo, and today we're going to Montenegro, but as you can see we're climbing up. It's already like a decent climbing from here, and still need to finish to climb up there. It's 13,000 meters of elevation gain straight up from the valley, and yeah, having just a little break to check the valley. Luke is already going ahead. This is border crossing number, I don't know, 20 for this week. No, we just crossed. Yesterday we crossed from Albania to Kosovo, and today we are crossing from Kosovo into Montenegro. But actually this is no man's land for the next few kilometers. We just stamped out from Kosovo, and in I think 4 or 5 kilometers we'll stamp into Montenegro. It's all good. Another 4 or 5 kilometers of climbing, and hopefully we start descent for a bit, and there is another climb, and then it should be a long descent of about over 1,000 meters of descent gain. How do you say? Elevation gain, and then?
Yeah,
Descent.
Descending.
Descending gain.
Not gain, just
Loss. Elevation loss. And yeah, that's it. So that's it for the moment. Bucolic views of the mountains. We're at the border, Montenegro, and it's chilly. It got really chilly. Yeah, another border. So how do you feel to be in a new country, in Montenegro?
feels great.
Nice. Feels great because now it's descent after like climbing the whole morning.
Exactly, but I don't think we have to descend for a long time. It's just a short while, and then we have to climb a little bit.
Yeah, but then there is a long descent.
Let's hope for a nice bakery.
Yeah.
Some nice.
I have some bread.
Oh, good.
One bread. Yeah. Let's go. getting dark and we need to cross this tunnel. It's 1 kilometer, so hopefully we don't die. We put some lights in the back of our heads, but yeah, tunnels are always tricky because there are lights, but you never know if there is a few lights missing in the middle. But the lucky part is that another 100 meters and then it seems like the tunnel is going downhill. Whoa. When you hit the dark spots, it's always like an adrenaline rush. Like this one, because you never know where the cars are coming from. You cannot really tell if a car is coming behind you from the noise. But yeah, there are a few missing lights here and there. I hate these blind spots. Like this one coming. Because you don't know anything. And your sight don't adjust that quickly. You can't even see if there is a pothole or anything. You just have to trust yourself. See shit, man. The best option when you cross tunnels would be to stop a car and ask to ride behind you with the lights on. That's a smart option, especially if the tunnel is dark, totally dark. But hopefully this thing is coming to an end. We made it out alive. I don't know if the sun wants to come out, but that would be nice because I'm not sure you can appreciate everything is wet, and not from the rain, from the humidity. And that's a glimpse of my tent inside. Don't ever use this mattress. It's the sleeping mat is not good. And that's good morning, Luke. How was your night?
A little bit cold. was wearing all the clothes I had, but I survived. But it shouldn't get colder than this.
So
It needs some more preparation here.
how many degrees?
7 exactly.
So 7 degrees and he was cold. Imagine when it will be -7. He's slightly unprepared, but he's coming from Africa. I mean,
Exactly. I'm not used to this weather, you know.
I'm okay. I'm okay until like -3, -4, I think, with this setup. I also have warm clothes, and unfortunately Luke doesn't have. But yeah, now we are gonna pack and then make a decision to wait either the sun to come out and dry a bit the tent, or just pack everything wet, and then we will dry everything around noon. That's probably our choice, but we'll see. These people let us camp here, policeman, and his wife gave us some dinner last night and some sandwich for the road this morning, so all good. It's almost 7 a.m. It's time to pack. Did you start the engine?
I started the engine, but it's still a little bit cold, I have to say.
And foggy.
And foggy.
It's the fog. Look at the sun. We can't see the sun. I wanna get blinded by the sun, but no. Coldish, coldish. Climbing part for today. Now we're going down about 10 kilometers. There should be another couple of climbs, and we can arrive in a town where we can have some food. And then we are trying to push a bit more today, and so we have the option to arrive to Sarajevo tomorrow instead of Wednesday or Tuesday. So tomorrow is Monday. Let's see how we feel. But cold morning, very very cold morning. I hope we get to the town within 2 hours. We're still about 38 kilometers away. 2.5 hours maybe. And yeah, Luke wants to find a bakery. He's obsessed with bakeries. And I just hope these clouds will clear up when we get there and it's sunny there, because my tent is soaking wet inside and out. I would like to have the opportunity to spread them out and dry them, as well as the sleeping bag. So that's the immediate plan, is to get to this village and then try to dry my gear. Luke is amazed by this big mine operation in Montenegro. And that's the town where we are going now. Hopefully we can find a supermarket open Sunday. But Luke doesn't care about the supermarket. He just wants a bakery.
It's so true. Some hot, warm sandwiches. What
Or
can be better
pizza.
than that? Pizza.
Slice of pizza.
Croissants,
Yeah, we left the city. Look at 2 burgers or 3. And we lost lots of time, obviously. And we only have 1 hour, maybe 50 minutes of daylight. But we're still going strong.
Definitely. It's dark at
7:30.
2 hours.
Yeah, 2 hours, sorry. 2 hours and 50 minutes. New friends. Montenegro friends. Rakia.
Rakia, živeli! Šljiva!
Šljiva.
Šljiva, živeli. Živeli.
There you go. Look, do you like Rakia?
I love it.
You love
I think
Rakia?
we found the perfect spot. We made some good friends here. What do you think?
Yeah. Great. Very good. Montenegro. Good. Sunset in Montenegro. And podcast. Tim Ferry's podcast in the background. That's what we're listening. But you can't see our... Let's see if I can put a light on. I'll show it to you in the morning. Last morning in Montenegro. The second one. Look, is stripping off for the ladies.
As always.
And that's where we slept. 1 tent there and 1 tent there. To beat the humidity. And it was pretty good. It was dry enough. Dry enough night. Gonna have a bit of breakfast and we're good to go. Can you see the mist down the valleys? The city where we were yesterday. Luckily here we're not in the fog. The night before yesterday was miserable because of the humidity. Now we're going up. It's beautiful. Very quiet around here. Very nice. Montenegro, very nice. They look after the fields very well as well. Much more than I would say in Serbia or Albania or Kosovo maybe. It's very nice. We're having a little break here. So we're going up. We are 15 kilometers from the border with Bosnia. And yeah, there's a few kilometers going up now, and then it will go down a little bit and up, and then I think after the border there should be a fairly long descent. It should be an easier day than yesterday. At the end yesterday we did almost 140 kilometers, and now we are 130 kilometers from Sarajevo, so should be fine.